Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching today's home decor video. We're going to be talking all things Halloween. I mostly got everything from Home Goods or Shop Disney or Target. So I will try and link everything I can in the description box down below. But if you want to see what our house looks like during the spooky season, just keep watching.
So last year I made this cute little bat garland and I put it on our window. It fits so perfectly. And yes, that is Casey's favorite spot to lay. I also had to show you my figgle leaf tree. We have a new leaf. I am so excited. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I'm obsessed with decorating our bar carts each season. And so I went with a nice, fun, spooky vibes. I found the More Booze Please sign at Home Goods. Could not pass that up. It is literally perfection. Each season, Shop Disney releases a cute little countdown. I purchased mine a couple years ago, but they definitely have still some available each season. This is my first time decorating my new tier tray. I absolutely love it. It is so massive. It fits so many fun goodies, and of course, I had to throw some cute Ray Dunn mugs from Home Goods on the tray. Can you actually have a tier tray without Ray Dunn? I don't think so. I am so happy that this corner is almost complete. I'm just going to add a lamp and then it will be finished. We got the chair from my parents and we have been looking for a chair in this space since last Christmas, and I'm so happy it's almost completed. For our coffee table, I found a couple cute items at Target, and then the Shake Your Booty sign is actually from Walmart. I love this wicker tray and it goes well with each season. Here's just a quick glimpse of our dining room table this year. I love how I used the small white pumpkins as our centerpiece with a fun little plant in the middle. Definitely my favorite spot this season is my fireplace. I purchased this sign from Castle Bound Supply Co. and I am obsessed with it. It fits perfectly with my Mickey bat garland from Pottery Barn. Another space I love decorating in our home is our open shelving. This was really daunting at first when we moved in, but I love finding little pieces that I can use to decorate these shelves all year long. It's definitely not too Halloween-y over here, and yes, I had to add my wand from Universal Studios up top there, and then I just threw little touches of fall and Halloween throughout both sides of our shelving. As you can tell, we have many sets of Minnie and Mickey throughout our home for the Halloween season. I've purchased them the past 3 years and it's just a nice, fun touch. And of course, Casey needed a belly rub. In our powder bathroom, I made it just a little spooky this year. I added a fun little tree and then just put some fake cobwebs on our picture in the back. My original plan was to put this Hocus Pocus sign outside, but I just love it in our entryway. It is so cute and brings a little extra Halloween flair to the space.
Guys, that's gonna be it for today's video of our Halloween home tour. Not a ton, just a little spooky, but like Disney spooky, so it's not scary. Yeah, it's Nikki's not so scary Halloween home. Yeah, sure, okay. Well, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know if you decorate your home for Halloween in the comments below. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Lots of fun things coming your way, I promise. Haven't had a ton of videos lately, but lots of videos are coming, and I'm hopefully still gonna do Vlogmas. That's just a lot of videos, but we're gonna get it done. We're gonna do it together. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and I will see you real soon. Oh wait, this is my shirt. It says Happy Haunts from Like Magic Co. I will leave them linked down below. I showed my other Tower of Terror shirt I bought from them in my last video. I will link that up above. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you real soon. Bye. Subscribe. It's a baby Casey. Tell him, subscribe to my mom's channel. Subscribe. Who's a good girl?